Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. Can you hear me? Yes, okay. Mehtab is present. Rest of them? Rest of them? Okay. Okay, good morning everyone. Vishnu, Shanchita, Abir, Srija, Tanishta. Welcome everyone. So, students, today in our social science history class, we are going to discuss the question and answers. So, those students have book, they can open the book, and in the old book it is in page number 41. Okay, and it is in the earliest cities. So, today I will give you the exercise question and answers of chapter number 3 in new book and chapter number 4 in old book. It is in the earliest cities. Okay. So, bring your copy, just all the students just take out your copy and start writing. Open your copy and book. So, are you ready? So, mention in the chat box if you are ready to write. Okay, Srija is ready. Rest of them? Okay, Abir, they ready? Already opened their copies? Okay. So, I am writing only the answers in the board. We will follow the board and write in your copy. So, the first question in your exercise, it is that how do archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan civilization? It is the first question. Question number 1, answer. So, the answer is that archaeologists have found ARCHAEOLOGIST. Archaeologists have found spindles spindle holes. Okay. WHORLES, spindle holes from the excavation on these sites, on Harappan sites. Full stop. Next line. Presence of spindles shows that people knew how to make cloth. Full stop. Next line. As well as actual pieces of actual pieces of cloths, actual pieces of cloth were found attached to the lead of a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. Full stop. Okay, so this is the answer. So in this way you can add another line or cannot. Okay, it is up to you. Actually it is from the question that this shows that people of Harappan civilization use cloth. Okay, this shows people of Harappan civilization used cloth. Completed, students? Can I drop this one? Okay, I am waiting. No problem, Sanchita. Okay, the below the part that a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. Okay, I am dictating the last line. It is very much visible, I think. A lid of a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. Full stop. So that's all from this answer. So these are the evidence from shows that people in the Harappan civilization use cloth. Okay. So now question number 2. Question number 2 is very easy. You can do it. Okay, without any help of me, I think it is very easy. First one, there are four names, 4 type of things were given, and also some metals also given. Okay, the name of the place and metals. You have to match the name of the places and metals. First one, copper. So tell me, copper. Copper is matched with, very good, Rajasthan. Already given a correct answer. Rajasthan. Copper is matched with Rajasthan. Tanishta already given correct answer. Next one, tell me the next one. Gold in Karnataka. Very good, Tanishta. Next one, gold in Karnataka. Tell me the next one. It is tin. Tin with Salma Srijita also correct. Tin, tell me tin. Afghanistan, very good. Tin with Afghanistan. And the last one. Last one, it is the precious stones. Yes, Gujarat, very good. So this is answer number 2. Now answer number 3. Start writing. And the question is, why were metals, writings, the wheels and the plough important for the Harappans? This is the question. So we will write this question answer point wise, point by point. First one, metal. Answer, first one, metal. So write in the point that metal were used for making tools, utensils, okay, ornaments and weapons. As well as seals, okay. Full stop. Many ornaments were made of silver, gold, copper, bronze, due to excavation. On Harappan sites. Okay. So that's all the point number 1. Now point number 2. After bronze, due to excavation on Harappan sites. Okay, I am writing. Okay, it is written that due to excavation on Harappan sites. Okay, I am writing this one, number 2. Excavation on Harappan sites. Okay, so this is point number 1. Now start writing point number 2. It is writing. What are the uses of writing in Harappan civilization? So underline this second point and start writing that for you can start this as that writing was used for maintaining the records the records related to trade, related to trade. Okay, I am rubbing this one. So first point, I think first point I have already completed. Okay, Mehtab. Okay, don't write this type of RR. Okay. Related to a trade and various other purposes. Various other purposes. Full stop. This is writing. So, this is the use of writing. Number 3, it is the wheel. It is very important. Wheel, you know, today also wheel is very important. So, use of wheel. So, those have completed, now start writing the wheel. That wheel was used in carts to ferry people. Ferry means to transport, to carry people and goods. Used in carts to ferry people and goods. As well as used as the potter's wheel. Okay, no need to write this, the potter's wheel. Okay, potter's wheel. Full stop. So, this is the use of wheel. Okay. Now, the last one, the use of plough. So, I am rubbing this one. Okay. So, plough used for tilling the land. Tilling the land. So that farming could be done. Farming could be done. Okay. So that's all from question number 3. Now question number 4. Completed, students? Everyone? All the rest of the points, the 4 points completed? Reply through the chat box. Metals, writing, wheel, plough completed. What happened? Oh. Connecting again. And Okay, students. Students, can you okay, complete it. Okay. So now look at this. The rest of the answer. It is answer number 4. Okay. So this is the. So I hope question number 3 is completed. This is the last point. Plow. Yes, this is the answer. Number 4. That question is that make a list of all the terracotta toys shown in the lesson. Which do you think children would have enjoyed playing with the most? Okay. So we try to make a list like animal figures, toy cart, model priest, marbles, whistles and plow, toy plow. Okay, so this type of things were discovered during excavation in Harappan sites. Okay, students, understood? Okay, so another question is there, that is make a list of what Harappans ate. So it is homework. Okay, I will give you. It is you try it. It is not. It will not come in exam. That make a list of Harappans ate. Okay. You try to complete this in your home. Question number 5 and question number 6. That do you think that the life of farmers and herders who supplied food to the Harappan cities was different from that of farmer herders you read about in chapter 3? Give reasons for your answer. Next day I will give you the answer of this question. Okay, and question number 5 and 6 both are activity based question. And so exercise is finished here. Next day I also give you some inside question from this chapter. So thank you for watching. See you in the next class with the rest of the question answers.